What's the meaning of Apache? Apache. Apache. Apache.
Apache is a popular open-source software foundation that provides a wide range of software tools and frameworks for building web applications and computer networks. It was named after the Native American tribe Apache, known for their fierce warriors and adaptiveness to changing environments. The Apache Software Foundation has developed many widely used software products, including the Apache HTTP Server, Apache Tomcat, and Apache Hadoop. These software tools are utilized by millions of developers worldwide to create robust and secure web applications, manage servers, and analyze big data.